Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
So guys, I'm going to start with my BLK concealer in buttermilk. You can see I'm also concealing my eyelids to prep it for eyeshadow mamaya. I'm also concealing some dark spot on my face. For this video, I'm going to use my airbrush foundation in shade 2. This is good since I'm having a lot of breakout nung pinifilm ko tong video na to. To trace my eyebrow, I'm using this Profusion eyebrow pencil. I will use this eyebrow wax before ako maglagay ng eyebrow powder. I'm now cleaning my eyebrows using BLK concealer again. Another preparation I use for my eyelids is powder. And I'm using a lighter shade in my Sephora palette. And for my transition shade, I'm using Mr. Diva from Jeffree Star and Morphe palette. For my outer lid, I'm using Cafe Latte from Sephora palette. And switch to Broom Broom for darker transition. I will put Lin from Jeffree Star palette on my inner corner. I will use Pearl again for my inner corner and the center of my eyelid. And I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown for my upper lash line. Hey guys, this is my all-time struggle. Liquid eyeliner. I will use this mascara for my real lashes. And put some false lashes too. I will use the same eyeshadow color for my under eye. And a metallic white eyeliner for my waterline. And a translucent powder to set my face. Removing the excess powder using my rose brush. I'm concealing again some visible dark spots. Setting my face again using this It Cosmetic Bye Bye Pores. I'm contouring my nose using eyeshadow Broom Broom and also my face. And for my blush on, I'm using Stefania de Alessandro Matte Blush On. I'm only using an illuminating powder for a simple and natural look. I will not put too much to make it more natural.